I'm Kevin.
And I'm his brother, Andrew. It's built for the weekend. Seeing Kevin in the welding mask got us thinking about a welding project.
Kevin and I decided it's time to make a branding iron. A lot of old furniture and stuff you find, it's got a maker's mark on it. Like you flip a chair over and you see, oh, so-and-so made that. So we were kind of thinking it'd be cool for us to have one of those too. Every time you go and build something, you see you're in a brand, we thought, well, why don't we make it look like a record? So we're gonna heat up a blade, put a handle on it, touch the blade to the wood to burn it. It'll be a record of our builds. So we took a saw blade, we ground some of the paint off to make a nice connection so we get this weld going. Okay, that was a fail. There's big gaps between the beveled edges and the saw blade. We're gonna get rid of these guys, cut these flat so it'll sit down. There won't be gaps. You broke it. Kidding me? Brutal. Those welds didn't hold, it broke off, but I think we've got a plan B here. We should just start making our plan Bs, or plan As. This is Mark II. We're gonna try with this beefy old blade. Nothing like welding in flip-flops. With a thicker metal, we were able to apply a much stronger weld. Now that's on there nice and solid. Now for the test. Ready? I think this one's gonna look a lot better. All right, take it off. Ta-da! Yeah. Well, that's a building record. I was thinking we should brand you with this.